Child safety seats take up too much space. The latest ECE R129 standard makes safety seats big and heavy. As a taxi driver picking up families, you're faced with a problem. You can't carry two sizes of child safety seat to accommodate every fare requirement. Taxie by Trafold was created to help you provide a better service. Now, there are three types of child safety seat. One for infants, one for toddlers, and another for children 4 years and above. And because the infant carrier is normally transported by parents, we do not need to concern ourselves with that here. Taxie was designed for children of 1 year and above, with a scalable product the size of a piece of hand luggage. Just unlock the base, flip it over, adjust the headrest, and you're good to go. When you are finished, just fold it back up and store it in the boot, leaving plenty of room for passenger luggage. A foldable child safety seat designed for taxis and cabbies. It's as small as a piece of hand luggage.